Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to withdraw money from IC markets to your bank account in just a few steps. So let's get started. So when you log in your account on IC market, so go to the left side and you will see the withdraw tab. So click that one and you just have to wait for a sec. Okay, so the purpose of this thing, if you already have a want to withdraw your money, you can add your pound. Okay, so here, okay, so you just have to fill up this form. So to add your bank account, you just need to click this one, the detail of your bank account. So add bank detail, click that one. So after that, so I'm just gonna select Philippines because I'm from Philippines. So here, there you go. Okay, so it might take some moments. So here, Asia, so you just have to fill up this. And you can type your bank number. So after that, guys, click that save. And okay, so once it's saved, guys, so go back to your, so you're good to go, guys. Okay, so once it add up, so you like to click that here. And so once all the form is all filled up, so just click the submit. So okay, guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets Global website. Thank you.